Hi everyone. In the last video, we were talking about the process scheduling commands at and batch. In this video, we are going to see about the crontab command. So before moving on to the crontab command, let me give an overall idea about the at command and batch command. At command will allow us to schedule the job to run on a particular day and time, and batch will execute and allow us to schedule the job, but the particular job will execute only when the system load is low. Now we are moving on to the third process scheduling command, that is crontab command. If we want to run a process every day, how can we do that? For that we are using crontab command. So it allows the users to run processes periodically at a certain times or dates. And to do this periodically, we need some mechanism in the system. For that, we have a special process called cron process. It is a system process. It sleeps most of the time, but it awakes every minute and checks for the crontab file. Crontab file is the special file which is containing the information of the scheduled process, and this crontab files will be present in a special directory called cron, which will be under the spool directory, and which will be in turn under the root user directory, and it is again in turn under the root directory. So the cron directory is the directory which is containing the crontab file created by all the files. And the crontab file is the special file which is containing the information about the process to be scheduled periodically. Now we'll see how can we set a crontab file. What all content will be there in a crontab file? Crontab file basically contains 6 information or 6 fields. The first field is indicating the minute, which means 0 to 59, and the second field is indicating the hour, so it can be from 0 to 23, and the third field is indicating day of the month, so it can be 1 to 31, and the fourth field is the month of the year, that means 1 to 12, and the fifth field is day of the week, that is 0 to 6. Sunday will be representing by 0. Then last field of the crontab file is the command to be executed. Now we'll see, here I have showed you an example of the creation of crontab file. I'm creating a crontab file using cat command, and whatever content we are typing, we are sending into a file named with a CMD file using output redirection operator. And this is the content what I'm going to store in the file. The first number indicate 30, which is the minute, then 10, this is the hour, then 15, this is the day of the month, then next one 5, this is the month, and next one is the 4, that is day of the week, and last one is the command which you want to execute periodically. So this particular crontab file is containing the information to run the command echo to display the message hi in the month of May on 15th, that is Thursday at 10:30. So every that means this particular message, echo message, will display hi in the month of May on 15th at 10:30. So we have set the crontab file, and in order to list and edit the crontab file, we are using the crontab command. So crontab command is using to list and edit your crontab file, and it will copy the crontab file into the directory which is containing all the users crontab file. Apart from this, we have special two files, that is cron.allow and cron.deny. Cron.allow tells the list of usernames, those who all can access the crontab command. Cron.deny tells a list of users who all are not supposed to execute the crontab command. And the main purpose of the crontab command is to automate the system maintenance or administration. So in today's video, we were discussing about crontab command. It is nothing but schedule the processes to run periodically. At command means it will schedule the process to run exactly on a day at a particular time. So it will execute exactly once. Batch command will execute the process whenever the system load is low, but the crontab command will execute the scheduled process periodically. And we have seen the cron process will check the crontab file, and we have seen the content of the crontab file and the list of users who can access the crontab crontab command will be there in the cron.allow. Cron.deny file is containing the list of users who cannot execute crontab command. And crontab command, the main purpose is used to automate the system maintenance or administration. Thank you for watching video.